Welcome to Maile Aliʻi, The Queen's Women. The play was written, produced, and first directed by the late Helen Edyth, Didi M. Lincoln, Lee Kwai in 2001 and still remains relevant today. This is a reenactment of an event that happened in 1897 in Hilo, Hawaiʻi. Tonight, it is designed to be delivered as a reading. That means that the performers are able to use their scripts, but in all other ways, they reenact the play. Our performers are from our community. They are our neighbors. They are our family. And they are not professional actors. They are you and me. What this also means is that you will be a part of the play too. We will have folks walk in front with signs that have words on them that you can say during the play and be part of the event too. We ask that you join us and let your voices be heard. And now we begin. She wrote the article on September 22nd, 1897, on the deck of the passenger ship Australia on her way home to San Francisco.
The strongest memory I have of these islands is the meeting house of the Salvation Army in Hilo on the island of Hawaiʻi. It was a small, crude place, enough for 300 people, I believe. Bare rafters could be seen overhead, and the bare walls were improved with some biblical teachings written in English and Hawaiian.
Mai kaina ya oi iho no ka la a popo.
Don't boast about yourself for tomorrow.
Mavahoa e o Kristo a ole he ho ola.
Without Christ, there is no salvation. As I entered, the bell of the foreign church, standing atop a beautiful bluff of Hilo, rang 10 times. This place is filled with Hawaiian people, and outside a crowd of people who could not come inside were standing patiently. This was a meeting conducted by the women. Nevertheless, several groups of men had come there. The women wore Mother Hubbard dresses of calico or cloth and wore white and black sailor hats. The men were dressed in coats and pants made like those of the Americans. Then the multitude of people separated, and 2 tall women entered who were dressed in black clothing. They wore black kid gloves with black hats that were decorated with black feathers. The slightly taller of the 2 had the noble and dignified demeanor of a queen. Red roses encircled the top of her hat, and lying upon her neck and breast was a lei expertly made from some flowers which were woven with palapalai ferns. She was Mrs. Kuaihelani Campbell, the president of Hui Hawaii Aloha, Aina o Navahine. Her companion was the secretary of the group's branch in Hilo, Mrs. Emma Navahi. There are 100,000 people on the islands. Of these, not 3% have declared for annexation. To the natives, the loss of nationality is hateful, aberrant. It is the old battle, white man against the brown, might against the right, strength against weakness, power and intellect and art against docility, inertia and simplicity. A man suffering from an acute attack of annexation mania said to me, "I tell the natives that work for me, you might as well walk out into the sea and attempt to push out the incoming wave with your two uplifted hands as try to prevent what's coming. It's purely a question of conquest, I admit. We are stronger and will win. It's survival of the fittest." She was a tall woman, majestic, pretty in the face, 3/4 Hale, as they say here. Her hands were gripped tightly in front of her, and she looked down upon the heads bowed before her and gave a few short words for the prayer for the opening. There is something impressive in strong prayers spoken in an unfamiliar language. You do not hear words, but tones. She was appealing with her feelings, not her reason. And then the voice of the minister ended. And the audience replied,
Amen.
I watched Mrs. Navahi with curiosity when she stood and spoke to the people. I had never heard two women speak to the multitudes like this. Would this Hawaiian woman be embarrassed, timid, or self-conscious? None of these things. Her candid manner was like Charlotte Perkins Stetson's 2 years ago, the most interesting speaker of the Women's Congress. The thoughts of the Hawaiian woman were of her subject, not of herself. There was something pleasing in her manner of speaking, which compelled me to look at her. All the while, the person who translated for me by my side whispered her translation to me as the words were being spoken.
He la hui kanaka, na vale vale kākou. Ka la hui Hawaiʻi, a ole hoi, o kākou I kaika. Koe vale no ko kākou, lo kahi like.
We are a weak nation of people. We Hawaiians. We have no power unless we are united.
O Amerika, hui pū, ya he aina, kuʻuko aya. O nakanaka, o laila, he mau holoha, he mau holoha hoi. No ka la hui, na vale vale.
The United States of America is an independent land, and the people there are friends. They are friends, indeed, of weak nations.
E hōʻike aku, kākou ia lākou. E hoʻomaʻikeʻike, aku kākou ia lākou. E liki me ko kākou aloha, I ko kākou aina. A awaumo, ina eha māmua. O ka hawi ana aku. Pēlā no ko kākou aloha. I ko kākou aina. A e nonoi aku. A ole lākou e lawe maia kākou aku.
We will show them. We will make them understand that just as they love their land and would endure suffering before giving it up, so do we love our land. We will pray that they do not take it from us.
O ko kākou mana olana, ea ia ke kuenei, me ke kūpaʻa, he poʻohiwi, me ka poʻohiwi, he puʻuwai, me puʻuwai.
Here is our hope, standing shoulder to shoulder, heart to heart.
O ka leo o nā kanaka, o ka leo no ia o ke akua.
The voice of the people is the voice of God.
He oia i'o, e lohe ana ka aina, ma ke la au o ka moana, I ko kākou leo ualo. E wāwalo hele aku ai, alohe kākou.
Surely the country on that side of the ocean hears our call for help. By joining our voices to cry for help, they will hear.
Ma ke ia pala pala, kākou I noa ana, mai I ke ia la. O oi, e ka wahine Hawaiʻi, ualoa ia, he wā e no'o ai.
Upon this petition of ours that we are submitting for signatures today, you, the women of Hawaii, have a chance to express your thoughts.
O ka pala pala o nā kane, e ho'uana ia mai ana, no ia, e ka hui o nā kane, I ka wā, e pau ai, e ke kau inoa, ia.
The men's petition will be sent on by the men's group as soon as the signing of the names by the men in Honolulu is completed.
A ole ke ia, he mau ana e epa. A ole hoi, he ho'opuni puni. Ma ko kākou aka hele, o ka hana. A ke ia wale no, ko kākou aka hele, e hakakai ai.
These are not underhanded actions, nor is our course of action deceitful. This is our only way to fight.
I ike ina mea apau, e ho'oma popo, I ko kākou palapala, ho'opi'i.
Everyone may see and know of our petition.
O ke ia no ko kākou aina, ko kākou Hawaiʻi.
This land is ours, our Hawaii.
Pehea, e ho'oneli, ia nei, ko kākou la hui?
Shall we be deprived of our nationality?
E ho'ohui anei, kākou me Amerika?
Shall we be annexed to America?
At this time, the minister introduced a woman, Mrs. Campbell, to the people. She spoke with pleasant smiles, and the men and women stamped in approval and cheered. She spoke only a few words filled with hope. Sometimes she spoke as if she were persuading them all to trust her, with sincerity and gentleness of voice, as she leaned forward and said,
E kūpaʻa, e kuʻu mau hoʻaloha.
Stand firm, my friends.
O ke aloha I ka ʻaina, he mea nui ia, ia'u, a me oi, ma mua o nā mea āpau.
Love for the land is more important to you and me than anything else.
E koa, e ikaika, e vivo ole me ka hoʻomanawa nui.
Be brave, be strong, be fearless and steadfast. Our time will come.
E hiki mai ana ko kākou wā e kākau inoa ai ke ia palapala hoʻopiʻi. Nā poʻe I aloha ia Hawaiʻi.
Sign your name to this petition, you people who love Hawaii.
E hia la e kākau inoa ana.
How many indeed will sign?
She waved her gloved hands as she spoke, and immediately hundreds of waving hands were turned to her, dark hands with short fingers and worn fingernails. They showed of poverty and work, of contact with the land they claimed.
He mea kākau nū pepa ia ia neʻi. E olelo aku iaia I ko o ko manao. A laila, ike mai na Amerika. A laila, malia paha e ho'olohe mai lākou.
What is it? What did she say?
Here is a writer for the newspaper, she says. She says to the people, tell her your feelings, then America will know and perhaps they will listen.
And at this time, something amazing happened. The men and women all stood up one by one and spoke a few words of faith.
My opinion. This is my feeling. I love my land and I want to be independent now and forever.
I love this land too. I don't want to be annexed. I was born in this place and I love it, just like the American loves his land. Would the American want his land to be annexed and occupied by another bigger land?
I'm very strongly opposed to annexation. How dare the Americans rob a people of our independence? I want American government to do the correct thing. America helped to overthrow the Liʻi. She must be restored. We will never consent to annexation. I have an American father and a pure Hawaiian mother. It is the land of my mother that I love. America has performed an unjust act. How could we love America?
Say to America, I don't want annexation. I want my beloved queen. Let them see their wrongdoings and restore the queen. If the great nations were fair, they will not take our land. I will never consent to annexation.
Say to America, I don't want annexation. I want my beloved queen.
That speaker, she is a good woman. She is Christian, an honest person, kind and charitable.
I oppose annexation. Me and my ohana, my family.
No annexation.
I am speaking for the people behind me. They are too many and cannot enter. Therefore, they cannot speak. But they have asked me to say, no annexation. Never. No annexation. I am Kaui of Kalaua, the place we call Hiloaina. Our group has 300 members. They have sent me here. We really oppose annexation. All of us.
Oppose annexation.
I love my land. And I oppose annexation. We look to America as our friend. Let her not be our enemy.
I am telling you the truth. The great majority of the people of Molokaʻi completely oppose annexation. They are fearful that if annexed to America, their lands will be lost. The foreigners will gather the benefits, and Hawaiians will be put in a worse position than they are today.
I am a mail carrier. Come with me to my district, and I will show you 2,000 Hawaiians who oppose annexation. And so I stand, we all stand, to show our love for our country and the Hawaiian flag, not the American flag.
mau. Ikua. Ikua huki, ikua ko, ikua mau. A mau kai ulu e huki e kuia.
Kaulana na pua o Hawaiʻi. Kumaʻama hope o ka ʻāina. Hiki mai a elele o ka loko iho. Pala pala a nunu me ka pakara. Pane mai Hawaiʻi moku o ke ave. Koku ana honoa o piʻilani. Ka koʻo mai Hawaiʻi o mano. Pa'apu me ke one o ka kui hewa. A'ole a'e kau I ka pulima. Maluna o ka pepa o ka enemi. Ho'ohui aina kuʻai hewa. I ka pono sivila o ke kanaka. A'ole mākou. A'ole mākou a e mina mina. I ka pukala o ke aupuni. Ua lava mākou I ka pohaku. I ka ai ka maha o ka aina. Mahope mākou o Lili Ulani. Mākou Lili Ulani. Aloha ae ka pono ka aina. Aina ia mai ana ka puana. O ka pono ia aloha I ka aina. Mahope mākou. Mahope mākou o Lili Ulani. Aroa ae ka pono ka aina. Haina ia mai ana ka puana. O ka poe ia aloha o ka aina.
Mahalo, all of you, for coming and being with us. All of you who make Hawaiʻi your home benefit from the works of the ladies of this particular time. And we benefit because we are here. For those of you who have not found if your ohana signed their name, the petition is in the back for you to look for your ohana's name. I can almost guarantee that if you are here and you are Hawaiian, your ohana signed. Mahalo.